Welcome friends. Now today we discuss voltage divider rule. Okay. So this is our voltage divider rule. And if there are number of resistors are connected in series and we have to find out the voltage across any resistor, then that voltage is given as the ratio of that resistance divided by total resistance of the circuit multiplied by the supply voltage. Now in that case, consider there are three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are in series with supply voltage Vs here. Then the VR1 is equals to R1 upon R equivalent multiplied by Vs supply voltage. Similarly, VR2 voltage across the resistor R2 is equals to R2 divided by R equivalent multiplied by supply voltage, or VR3 is equals to R3 upon R equivalent into Vs. Now उसको प्रूव करते हैं. In that circuit, Vs is the source of voltage or supply voltage, and since it is a closed circuit, single current I flowing through the R1, R2 and R3. So with the help of KVL rule, we can write Vs is equals to I into R1 plus I into R2 plus I into R3 is equals to I common R1 plus R2 plus R3. Clear? So since R1, R2, R3 in series, so we can write I into R equivalent. So V is equals to I into R equivalent. Now if we have to calculate voltage across resistor R1, अब क्या निकालना है? R1 के across का voltage. So V R1 कैसे निकलेगा? Current into that resistance I into R1. अब I की वैल्यू कितनी है यहाँ पे? Now here in that case I is equals to V upon R equivalent. Okay? अब यहाँ पे I की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. So V R1 is equal to क्या मिलेगा मेरे को? V upon R equivalent into R1 is equals to R1 upon R equivalent into V. Is V stand for supply voltage. Okay. So this equation is similar to that equation. Similarly, VR2 क्या मिलेगा? I into R2. So I की वैल्यू Vs divided by R equivalent into R2 is equals to R2 upon R equivalent into Vs. So VR2 is equals to that VR2. Similarly, VR3 we can write R3 upon R equivalent divided by multiplied by supply voltage Vs. So in that way we can prove the voltage divider. So voltage divider rule is simple, that the voltage across any resistor in the circuit is equals to the ratio of that resistor with the total resistance of the circuit multiplied by supply voltage. Clear? Now we will see the problem based on voltage divider. Okay? So find the voltage across all resistors. Okay? Now this is a 15 volt voltage source, 3 ohm resistor, 5 ohm resistor and 10 ohm resistor. Okay? So with the help of voltage divider rule, what is the voltage divider rule? VR is equals to R upon R equivalent into Vs. This is a voltage divider rule. Okay? Where R equivalent is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay? Now in this case R1 is equals to 3 ohm, R2 is equals to 5 ohm, R3 is equals to 10 ohm. So R equivalent is equals to 3 plus 5 plus 10, that is equals to 18. Now we have to find out the voltage across each resistor. So V at 3 ohm resistor is equals to, that is 3 divided by R equivalent, 18 multiplied by 15 volt is equals to 3 into this 15 divided by 18. So it is 15 divided by 6 is equals to 5 divided by 2 is equals to 2.5 volt. Similarly, voltage across 5 ohm resistor, so it is 5 divided by 18 multiplied by 15, so is equals to, so it is 5 into 3, so 5 into 5 divided by 6, so it is 25 by 6, so it is 4.167 volt. And voltage across 10 ohm resistor कितना आएगा, just 10 upon 18 multiplied by 15 is equals to 10 into 5 divided by 6 is equals to 50 divided by 6, so it is what, 8.333 volt. Okay. So also how to find its result. So Vs should be equals to V3 ohm plus V5 ohm plus V10 ohm is equals to 2.5 plus 4.167 plus 8.333 is equals to what, equals to 15 volt. ये आना चाहिए, ठीक है. So this is a problem regarding voltage divider. Clear?